I'm Israel. I'm the CEO of StelvioTech. We are a web development and Web3 consulting firm. We develop software. One of our areas of specialization are the traceability, and specifically in the agri-food sector. We want to help the companies to improve their transparency, to show in the proof of origin to the clients, and to help them to be more efficient. Our solutions help the companies to trace the whole value chain. In some companies, they have the traceability, but it will take a while to retrieve all the results. So it means that they have the information in several information systems, in different ERPs, and we help them to retrieve that information faster and allowing them to take better decisions. In the BBTWINS project, it was a challenge because we started the project from zero. We are building a very robust solution based in one case of the blockchain technologies that will be open for everybody to check the traceability. And then we are building a kind of ERP for the system. So we use IoT, we use artificial intelligence for some algorithm to calculate how sustainable is a product, and we are using languages like Java or like Angular for the front end, and also database management for some data that can be stored in the blockchain, and also the full traceability of the product in the blockchain. Together with other technologies like the digital twin, we can provide per batch, for instance, waste percentage, energy consumption, carbon footprint. So for the end consumer, the benefit is that they can retrieve and verify the proof of origin of those products that they are going to purchase. So increase A, the transparency, and B, the fidelity of that end consumer to the company, to the producer. Because the producer is showing them how they are manufacturing the products or where the product has been collected, when, and this kind of information. If you are really concerned about the animal welfare or the food the animals are fed, you can check all of these certificates that you can verify even at the batch level. There are a lot of greenwashing. So it's not that they are saying that they are sustainable, or we have to believe them when they are saying, oh, this product has been produced in country A or B. You can verify that with this kind of solutions. And we can see here in the Spanish ham that if we go step by step, we can see the details, we can see the location, in this case for the farms, if there are any certificates, animal welfare, and etc. And I think for us as a consumers, we can empower the companies that are producing those products with such a level of transparency. And also, is quite important for the companies in this BBTWINS project, is that we help the companies to be more efficient. So because we have an end-to-end traceability, they will see and monitor all the waste per batch in combination with other technologies as the energy consumption per that batch. So I think it will help the companies to take better decisions on the value chain. We have two very good examples in the BBTWINS projects on the pork value chain and on the fruit value chain. So we start with the process with the pork at the very beginning. So we trace all the different steps of the pork in the farm, the weaning, fattening. Also, we kept information when the pork is slaughtered, creating the packaging. So in the case of the Spanish ham, is sent to salting, then curing. That has to be there 12, 18 months, depends on the variety of the ham. And we keep every part of the information, every trace, every step. And also added value data that are really interesting in one side for the companies itself, for internal purpose, and then for the end consumer as well, what is important for the consumer. And for the fruit is from the farm, so we can integrate with the information that we receive with IoT devices. So for instance, in the farm is having soil sensors, humidity and so, or pictures of the farm we can integrate that inside the platform to retrieve that information not only to the end consumer, but also to the supply chain operator. The technologies that we are using in BBTWINS and we have in combination with the digital twin, with the blockchain, traceability, with the IoT and artificial intelligence is implemented in some pilots in the automotive industry. That is the most advanced in terms of implementing innovation technologies for production. I think we are doing something that in 5-6 years' time will be the standard. But in the agri-food sector, we are leading. This is the cutting-edge technology. And maybe we are a little bit soon for the state of the agri-food sector, because they are more focused on operations, the current operations. But definitely these technologies will be with a massive distribution or implementation in the coming 4, 5, 6 years. Because at the end of the day, there is a lot of competition in terms of pricing in the market, and the companies need to differentiate. I think that the timing of the project of the BBTWINS project is a little bit before the market demands, but when the market will demand that, we will be ready to deliver a solution.